Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if the Face ID is not working on your iPhone or iPad device. So if the Face ID on your iPhone device is not working, then here in this video, I will show you how you can fix the Face ID problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can fix if the Face ID is not working on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started. First of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, scroll it below, tap on general, then tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution, open setting. Then after that, here scroll it below, then here tap on Face ID and password, then enter here your iPhone passcode, then scroll it below, then here make sure that these toggles should be turned on. Then after that, here scroll it below, then tap on reset Face ID. Then after that, again try to set up the Face ID and then check that the problem fixed or not. If the problem is still there and the Face ID is also not working, then here you need to again open setting. Then here is the option of require attention for Face ID. You will need to turn on this toggle. Here is the option of attention aware feature. You'll need to turn on this. Then after that, again try to set up the Face ID and check that the Face ID is working or not. If the problem is still there, then you will need to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then press the volume down button, then here press the power button until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here you will need to restart your iPhone device, then here unlock your iPhone device and then open setting, then scroll it below, then tap on Face ID and passcode and then set up Face ID again and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will need to again open setting, then here scroll it below, tap on general, then here scroll it below, tap on background app refresh, and here make sure that the background app refresh is turned on. If it is turned off, then you will have to turn on this. Then after that, here check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you will need to again open setting, then tap on general, then scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you will need to tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. Then after that, enter here your iPhone passcode. So after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and Face ID will be working smoothly on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.